with our project, we were approached. Where do you want me to be looking to?
Just chat with me.
Okay, just you. Okay, so I didn't know.
Take it away.
Yeah, all right, I'll take it away. All right, so essentially our project is to design an efficient sediment sampler deployment system for a professor in the environmental engineering department. As Tommy is going to show you here, we have these small plastic sediment samplers, and on the surface they're coated with a film that allows mercury to diffuse through and basically test for mercury in the bottom of lake beds. At this point we have sort of just a whole little complex that contains these samplers, and we have spikes on the bottom, so once they hit the bottom of the lake bed, they can be held in place and hold themselves well and not have to move once any water currents come by.
An occupational therapist from the Duke Hospital actually came to us with this issue, and she works with people with disabilities and children who need to administer their inhalers on their own. But inhalers work in a way that is actually very difficult for people with limited hand functionality or limited range of motion in their hands to press down on an inhaler. Our current design solution is this clamp. So actually there's clamps that are used all the time in engineering for woodworking or to hold things and pieces together. Essentially just hold things together. So the inhaler pretty much can just fit in right here and it latches right in. We have an attachment device to hold it in so it doesn't fall. And then you can kind of just press down and it will release.
So with our problem, we were approached at the beginning of the semester. Our teacher was approached by Dr. Heidi White about this project, about how at a senior living home nearby, it's in, what is it called? An independent living. It has like a nursing home and has all these different aspects to it at Crowsdale. It's about 10 minutes away. And she came up with the problem that all these people in the nursing home keep falling and there's no way to prevent them from falling. And she proposed the idea of us trying to create a solution to somehow create a way to alert the nurses when these people are falling. And we ended up deciding that we'd go with something that would alert when they weren't on the bed and then also crossed the line, like via brake beam / ultrasonic. We ended up deciding with the ultrasonic. When somebody gets off the pressure mat, that'll alert like one thing, and then once they cross the line at the same time, once they both go off, that means that, oh, they're up and out of bed, and then it'll send an alert to the nurse through the pager system.
And also,
I don't think there's any need to for whoever like wants to take the class. I don't think there's any need to worry about if you don't have the technical skill to like make the projects, because that will be explored in the classroom.
Yeah.
The only thing there is to worry about is making sure you can work in a group setting, and if you enjoy that, or if you can enjoy that, then you'd be very successful in the class. You'd probably like it a lot.
It's overall a great way. Like Engineering 101 is like such a fun way to learn more about engineering. No matter which way you put it, like it's so enjoyable to do. It's so enjoyable to be in a group and interact and learn more about this whole like learning about electronics. Like if I wasn't in this class, like I would never have learned how to like solder a board like this. And because I'm here, I've been like able to meet a ton of new people, as well as like learning more about what Duke has to offer us, and it's a super nice way because of it.
Perfect. That's excellent.